This is the face of every Nigerian right now. Oh, more, he don't choke. The way dollar is going, dollar is crying. I don't even understand. What is happening? What is happening? Today in the stocks market, a dollar equaled 1,460 Naira. Where did we go from? We went from 700 to 1,000, almost 1,500 Naira. What is happening? But regardless of whatever is happening, we don't have to hinge on the fact that Naira is depreciating. In today's video, I bring you something very, very wonderful. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you ways you can actually make dollars from the comfort of your home. But please, there is a disclaimer. Now, I'm not saying you will not make this dollar from the comfort of your home. I didn't say so. But please, you have to put in the work. Whether you're working from the comfort of your home, whether you're working from the comfort of your desk, whether you're actually, lying down, or whatever it is you're doing, you should be willing to put in the work. If you cannot put in the work, please, just skip this video. Just do something else, because the journey to wealth creation, or the journey to making money, is not a smooth one, especially if you don't have the connection. But if you want to grow, you're growing on your own, the journey to wealth is not actually very smooth. In my recent video, I shared with you how you can actually make 1,000 Naira to 2,000 Naira daily doing simple tasks, and a lot of persons have seen that video. So if you've not seen that video, please do well to check out that video, and please, I want you to please hit the subscribe button. Thank you all for helping me get to 300 subscribers. We want to get to 400 now. So please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video and share to your friends and family. So the first way to earn money, to earn in dollars from the comfort of your home, is by being a virtual assistant. So what do you do as a virtual assistant? All you need to do is offer virtual services to businesses, right? Companies, entrepreneurs. These are persons are very busy persons, and they are looking for people to do this task for them. You can help with tasks like email management. You can even send emails to their leads. You can help them with scheduling, just the way the lady on this video is scheduling, writing down a to-do list, blah blah blah. You can do this for them. You can also help them with customer support, and you get to earn in dollar for your services. Are looking for you from around the world to help them manage their customer services. So all you need to do is check out remote sites like Remote OK, or We Work Remotely. We have tons of them. Now, another way you can earn money online, in fact, if you are good at something, or you're good in something, or you're good with something, whatever English it is, I don't want to know, and you don't have an ebook or an online course around it, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please, you have to reconsider. If you're having issues doing this, if you're having issues creating this, you can actually reach out to me. I'll be dropping my link in the description of this video. You can actually reach out to me if you're confused on how to go about this. You can actually create digital products like ebooks or online courses, and you sell them on international platforms like Teachable, we have Gumroad, we have Udemy, and the rest of that, and attract international audiences. Now, another way you can make money online in dollars is to be an affiliate marketer. Now, you can actually make use of international platforms. When I mean international platforms, we're talking of Amazon, right? Amazon is one of the largest marketplace in the world. Get a product, get their link. If they buy through you get to earn money if they use your referral link. We have the Bluehost affiliate program. They provide web hosting services. If somebody purchases or uses their services through your link, you get paid for it. There are tons of international affiliate marketing platforms online, but I highly recommend Udemy. I recommend Amazon. I recommend Bluehost affiliate program. Now, when a customer signs up through your referral, you get paid for it. If you're in Nigeria, you can actually upload your courses on Seller too. You can have a dollar account. It all depends on you, right? So what exactly is your excuse? If you are a business owner, if you know how to do something very well and you've not written something around it, you better reconsider. Now, another way you can make money online in dollars, right, is through e-commerce dropshipping. You can start an online store using dropshipping method. Now, you sell products to an international audience and you will receive your payment in dollars. If you're talking about e-commerce platform, you can actually check out. We have the Etsy, and we have the number one popular e-commerce platform. We have Shopify. You can see the man in the picture is trying to make a purchase. Now, if this purchase is done through your referral link, of course, you get paid for it. So all you need to do is hop on this platform, get a unique referral link, look for a particular product that suits your taste or you think your people want to use. Do something around it and get people buy through your referral link and get paid for it. It's as easy as that, easy as ABC. It is just like affiliate marketing. You don't need to stress up yourself. Just do this to earn in dollars. Now, if you're getting value in this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Another way you can make money in dollars is, of course, through engaging in cryptocurrency trading. Right, you can do this on reputable platforms, but be sure to understand the risk associated with this before you get into this. All right, understand the risk. Now, the last one, like I said, is the flexible of all. This is content creation, but I'm going to be focusing on YouTubing. You can actually make money by making videos around what you love on YouTube. You get paid for it, even though it takes time, but of course you get paid for it. Now, thank you for sticking with me till the end of this video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to share this particular video to your loved ones, friends, and family. Thank you for staying with me. I love you. Bye.